In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restore lost recycle bin icon on your desktop. As you can see on this desktop, I'm missing one important icon, which is the recycle bin icon. To find your recycle bin icon and restore it, we are going to use two methods. The first method, just click on an empty space on your computer and then select personalize. From here, select theme and then head over to the far right and select desktop icon settings. Now from here, you can see the desktop icon settings and look for the recycle bin. Recycle bin is here, but it is not checked. To restore it, just check it, then click on apply and then OK. Now when we go back to our desktop, you can see the recycle bin is here. Now in the second method, go to start menu, then select settings. From settings, choose personalization option and then themes. From themes, go and select the desktop icon settings and you'll receive the same dialog box here. Identify where recycle bin is and then check it. Once you have checked it, click on apply and then OK. And now when we go back, our recycle bin is here and it is very much active. It contains all the deleted files. You can find them here. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.